Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. I have here a 2015 Ford F-550 single cab V10 6.8 108,000 miles IMT 6,000 pound crane on it, IMT Dominator body. We just put a brand new engine from Ford in this truck. It's got a 3-year warranty on the motor. Again, it's brand new from Ford, not reman. Really nice truck all the way around. Brand new steer tires in the front, tread on the back's excellent. 6,000 pound capacity crane, hydraulic outriggers. It's set up real nice. Just a nice truck. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to call or text anytime. 804-716-8487. I have over 40 photos on my listing as well. It just showcases everything, the undercarriage, all the boxes, the interior. It's in pretty good shape all the way around. A little bit of surface rust in the undercarriage. Body's pretty sound. Nothing that I would be concerned about personally. Interior's in great shape, no rips, no tears. Everything works as it should. PTO is on right now, which is why the idle's up. I'm going to demonstrate the crane here in just a second, but all around, just a really clean truck. Like I said, service body's in great shape. All the metals are solid, door latches are solid. They're actually brand new latches all the way around. But if you know anything about these bodies and these cranes, they're just really well built. They hold up real good and shouldn't have any issues with them. So again, the crane has a 6,000 pound max capacity. I'll do a demo on that too. Brand new wireless remote for that. You can see the body's in great shape. A little bit of surface rust here on the top box. Really nothing to be too concerned about. Just had the rear work bumper painted. Bed line, got a vise. Brand new CarTech wireless remote. Crane operates flawlessly. All the functions work. Super quick operation. Just a nice crane. Up. Got my block all tangled up there. I'll fix that in a minute. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to call or text anytime. It's 804-716-8487. Again, this is a 2015 model. 2-wheel drive, brand new V10 motor, 108,000 miles, and just pretty good shape all the way around. Happy to show you anything else you want to see up close. Please look through the pictures on the listing as well. I have a lot of information and photos on there, but if you need anything else, just give me a shout. Thanks for watching.